एवरीवन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब ठीक होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में सून ही म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिसर, टाउन ऑफिसर और बहुत सारे टेस्ट कंडक्ट होने हैं। तो मैंने आज कुछ क्वेश्चन सेलेक्ट किए हैं जो कि पास पेपर्स हो चुके हैं उनमें से, और वो क्वेश्चन जो बहुत कॉमन क्वेश्चन है और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, तो हम आज उनकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट। बेसिकली ये जो मॉडल पेपर है इसको आप कह सकते हैं या गेस्ट पेपर भी कह सकते हैं। आइटम नंबर 1, स्टडी ऑफ द फैमिलीज एंड द ट्रेसिंग ऑफ देयर lineages एंड हिस्ट्री इज कॉल्ड, सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, genealogy. Number 2 item, mycology deals with the study of, D option is correct, fungi. Number 3, the instrument which is used to measure the high temperatures is called pyrometer. 4 item, lucimeter is an instrument which is used to measure the, A option is correct, intensity of light. Number 5 item, basiphobia is the fear of, D option, falling. Number 6, androphobia is the fear of, B option is correct, men. Question number 7, the relation between the horsepower and what is, B option, 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. 8 item, the first layer of earth on which we live is known as, D option, the crust. 9, bromine is a dish. B option is correct, red liquid. Number 10th item, tetraethyl lead is used as, D option, petrol additive is correct. Question number 11, carbon, diamond and graphite together are called, B, allotropes. Number 12 item, the book Al-Najat was written by the famous Muslim scientist, D option is correct, Ibn Sina. Number 13 item, vitamin B3 is also known as niacin. Number 14 item, deficiency of vitamin B1 causes, B option is correct, beriberi. 15 item, 1 gigabyte contains dash megabytes, C option is correct, 1024. 16 item, activity of brain is recorded by, B option, EEG. Number 17 item, perihelion is the minimum distance between, D option, sun and earth. Number 18 item, early bird was the first commercial communication satellite which was launched by USA in dash, C option, 1965 is correct. Number 19 question, the Earth Summit 1992, sponsored by UNO to combat pollution and global warming all over the world, occurred in, D option, Brazil. 20 item, which layer of atmosphere is also called ionosphere, B option, thermosphere. B option, thermosphere is correct. Number 21, Mount Peel is the volcano of the West Indies which exploded in, D option is correct, 1902. 22 item, China was discovered by, D option is correct, Marco Polo. 23 item, when a river reaches the sea, the fine materials it has not yet dropped are deposited at its mouth, forming a fan-shaped alluvial area called delta. So C option is correct. Number 24, the separation of liquid from a solid by evaporation and condensation is called distillation. B option is correct. 25, bacteria was discovered by Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. A option is correct. 26, now it's English portion. At sixes and sevens, ये एक idiom है, इसकी मीनिंग बतानी है. B option is correct, in disorderly manner. 27, baffle का synonym है confuse. 28, capacious, its synonym is B, extensive. 29, decipher का synonym है decode, C option is correct. 30, Mandarin का synonym है D, इन्फ्लुएंशियल पर्सन, मैंडरिन चाइनीज लैंग्वेज को भी कहते हैं, बट यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस में जो है उनमें से हमें सेलेक्ट करना है, सो डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, इन्फ्लुएंशियल पर्सन. नाउ एंटोनिम्स, अपोजिट वर्ड्स. 31 आइटम, ब्रेजन, ब्रेजन का अपोजिट होगा रिस्पेक्टफुल, चाइल्ड का होगा प्रेज, तारीफ करना. 33 डेस्पिकेबल, इसका होगा सी ऑप्शन एडमायरेबल. 34 डायबॉलिक, इसका होगा एंटोनिम सी काइंड. 35 आइटम डिस्क्रिपेंसी, इसका एंटोनिम होगा कंसिस्टेंसी. 36 आइटम स्पेसिफाई द वर्ड विद करेक्ट स्पेलिंग, जो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग है वो डी है, सेस्मेटिसिटी, सेस्मिसिटी, SEISMICITY. Now analogies, number 37 item, बैलेट का है सॉन्ग, तो करेक्ट इसका है पोर्ट्रेट पेंटिंग, इनका रिलेशन है, सो डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. नंबर 38 रिटायरमेंट सर्विस, ए ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट सैलरी. 39 item prepositions, their life was hedged dash with petty restrictions, a option is correct, around. 40 item, the decorations can left dash for another day, a option is correct, up. 41 item, it differs dash their last suggestion, full stop, B option is correct, from. 42, he is jealous dash her success, full stop, तो jealous के साथ हम off use करते हैं, OF, so A option is correct. Now let's start sentence completion, sentence complete करने. 43 item, here is a dish for chocolate cake, इसका option B correct है, recipe, here is a recipe for chocolate cake. 44 item, if I dash more time I would have checked my paper again, A option had is correct, if I had more time, ये conditional sentences हैं. 45 item, detect the error from the underlined words, अब जो sentence है इसमें जो underlined words हैं इनमें से किसमें mistake है, we need to identify mistakes. Too much water makes plant burning, plant turning brown on the edges of their leaves, अब इसमें जो mistake है error है वो turning में, C option turning, अब इसमें correct जो होगा वो होगा turn brown. 46 item, some teachers argue that students who used to using a calculator may forget how to do mental calculation. अब used to हम यूज करते हैं पास के लिए, जो habitual action, तो हम अगर इसमें हम बात कर रहे हैं जनरल कोई बात कर रहे हैं जो प्रेजेंट में, तो ये होगा who use a calculator, तो used to नहीं होगा, तो B option is correct. It means used में error है. 47 item, there are 10 childs playing in the yard near her house, but your child is not among them. अब बी ऑप्शन चाइल्ड्स करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, क्योंकि चाइल्ड्स में मिस्टेक है, सिंगुलर होता है चाइल्ड, प्लूरल होता है चिल्ड्रन, तो ये होगा देयर आर 10 चिल्ड्रन. 48 वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन, अ गवर्नमेंट बाय द फ्यू, सी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, oligarchy. 49 item, one who is no money, D option is correct, pauper. 50 item, specify the word with correct spelling, B option is correct, derogatory. 51 item, as per the Government of Indian Act 1858, the transfer of the control of the Government of Indian from the East India Company and assumption by the Crown was to be announced by Queen's proclamation, which was accordingly read in a darbar. Where was this darbar held? Calcutta, A option is correct. 52, which pass connects Paranchar and Kohat with Afghanistan? A option, Kuram Pass. 53 item, the book Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus is written by John Gray. 54, the book The Forgotten Years is an autobiography of Sir Zafarullah Khan. 55 item, what is the old name of GT Road built by Sher Shah? Uttarapath. 56 item, Nadra was formed in Pakistan on March 10, 2000. 57 item, the founder of Shuri movement was Swami Dayanand Saraswati. 58 item, Jhatpat is the old name of Dera Alahayar. 59 item, the national anthem of Pakistan was first released on Radio Pakistan on August 13, 1954. 60 item, Warsak Dam is a mass concrete gravity dam is located on the river Kabul River. 61 item, President of the first Constituent Assembly at the time of its dissolution was Molvi Tamizuddin. 62 item, Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. 63 item, highest peak of salt range in Pakistan is Saksar. 64 item, the June 3rd plan is also known as Mountbatten Plan. 65 item, first summit conference of NAM was held in September 1961 in Belgrade, Yugoslavia. 66 item, Constitution of 1973 consists day schedules. 7. Number 67 item, objective resolution was passed on March 1949. 68 item, who was the British Prime Minister at the time of second round table conference? Ramsay MacDonald. 69th item, Pakistan President announced a new medal on 23rd March 2018. Tamgai Azam. 70 item, the first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. 71 item, Humayun recaptured the throne of Delhi in 1555. 72 item, headquarters of Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN, is located in Jakarta. 73 item, the Turkish Prime Minister who conferred Nishan-e-Pakistan by Government of Pakistan, Tayyip Erdogan. 74 item, who was appointed as caretaker prime minister after dismissal of Benazir Bhutto in 1990. Ghulam Mustafa Jatoi. 75 item, the local name of famous Sindh ibex is Sarah. 76 item, when Pakistan reported its first confirmed case of the Omicron variant of COVID-19, 13 December 2021. 77 item, who is the current chairman of ICC? Nel Kombel. 78 item, according to a recent report by McKinsey and Co., which country has surpassed US as the richest nation of the world? Japan. 79 item, which social media announced that former President Donald Trump would be suspended from its platform until at least January 2023. Facebook. 80 item, which country's capital becomes the most polluted city in the world? India. 81 item, which is the first Asian country to recognize same-sex marriage? Taiwan. 82 item, which country will host the next annual meetings 2022 of the African Development Bank AFDB group? Ghana. India has constructed Bagaliar Dam on river Chenab. 84 item, the bodies of flying birds Muhammad Ali Sadpara, Iceland's John Snorri, and Chile's Juan Pablo Moore were found on K2 on July 26, 2021. 85 item, who is ambassador of Pakistan to USA? Asad Majid Khan. 86 item, recently new air defense system commissioned into Pak Army named HQ 9P Himags. 87 item, which team won the National T20 Cup 2021? Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 88 item, July 12th has been declared as Desh Day by the United Nations. Malala Day. 89 item, who is the governor of the State Bank of Pakistan? Dr. Raza Bakir. 90th item, who became first Pakistani umpire who was honored by the International Hockey Federation with Golden Whistle for supervising 100 senior international hockey matches? Heather Rasool. 1st July 2021, US pledged Pakistan and Desh on its Child Soldiers Prevention Act list. Turkey. 92 item, the late Dr. Ritfau was granted Pakistani citizenship in 1988. 93 item, on 11th May 2021, Pakistan signed prisoner transfer agreement with Saudi Arabia. 94 item, who is current chairman of Gwadar Port Authority? Nasir Khan Kashani. 95 item, Dina Wadia passed away at the age of 98 years. 96 item, which country got maximum Nobel Prizes in 2021? Brazil. 97 item, who got Nobel Prize in Economics in 2021? David Card. 98 item, on May 11, 2021, which Pakistani mountaineer became the youngest mountaineer to climb the world's highest peak, Mount Everest? Shiroz Kashif. 99 item, who is currently Deputy Secretary General of UNO? Amna Ji Muhammad. 100 last question. Next OIC summit will be held in 2021. तो ये थे कुछ 100 क्वेश्चंस जो पास पेपर में से हमने सिलेक्ट किए और डिस्कस किए, उनकी आंसर्स की भी हमने आपसे डिस्कस की। इसके अलावा जितने और भी टेस्ट होने उनके भी, और म्यूनिसिपल ऑफिसर और टाउन ऑफिसर और जितने भी टेस्ट हैं, स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट एक्सेट्रा, उन सब के पेपर्स मैं शेयर करूंगा क्वेश्चन भी। आप हमें बताइएगा कि ये पेपर आपको कैसे लगा, हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा, और अगर कोई क्वेरी हो तो वो भी हमें आप डिस्कस करें। अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।